I'm planning to do a hangout with me video. It's nothing special, just something chill. I thought of taking you along with me while I do the usual things that I do at home, and I'm also planning on going out. I might go out for a walk because I haven't been out in days. It's crazy. And also it's 80 degrees outside, so that's exciting. I should take advantage of that. And yeah, I'm probably gonna get a drink and then go to the park, do some reading, or maybe write a couple of songs, or I don't know, I might take my adult coloring book with me. I'm not sure, we'll see. So yeah, I'm just gonna stay creative. And oh my god, what the hell is that sound? There's a construction going on in the next building, and I've been having a really bad headache, probably because of coffee withdrawal. I haven't had caffeine in 4 days. Yeah, I'm trying to cut back a little. Anyway, that's what I plan to do for today, and I hope you enjoy this video. So, this is what I was talking about. I don't know what they're doing. Are they putting up a stage? What the hell? I got ready, did my makeup, and got dressed, and now I'm gonna pack my stuff so we can now go to the park. It is incredibly hot here in the apartment right now, and I can't wait to get my hands on a cold drink. And lastly, before I leave the house, I got my pepper spray with me just to be sure, for safety, because you never know, so many crazies outside. And yeah, I think we're ready. Let's go. So I just got a drink from Starbucks. I got the pink drink. It's good. So when I went out to go get drinks, I got a text from my husband saying that there's a buyer who wants to look at the couch and some other furniture that we're selling because we are moving out. So I didn't have a choice but to go home. But I did go to the grocery store and got myself some of the essentials that we need here. And then after this, I'm going to finally go to the park. But I might bike on the way there because it's a bit of a walk. Let me show you what I got from the grocery store. Spinach, because I use it for my breakfast, for smoothie, and for my omelette. Some cauliflower chips, some tortillas, organic tortillas, mushrooms, California roll, California special. I got really hungry while I was looking at it. I haven't had this in like months, so yeah. I'm gonna try that. And some eggs. I'm probably gonna eat first because I am kind of hungry, and then when the buyer comes in, hopefully it's a successful transaction. It is so hot outside, it's like 80 degrees. My goodness. Guess who forgot to get chopsticks? Me. Oh, it looks so good. Actually really good. Damn, I miss this. It feels so weird eating this with a fork, but I don't care anymore. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. So so good. Shit, I can feel the wasabi in my nose. Alright, so I think I'm ready. I had lunch, I did all of that, and now I'm dressed. I'm all dressed to go to the park. Well, I'm just wearing something casual, just this linen that I got from Uniqlo, white rib tank top from H&M. You've seen this in my previous video. And this super cool necklace that I got from Wasteland, and some biker shorts. I'm still debating whether I should wear sneakers or flip-flops. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna go biking. All right. I'm here at the park. It's so beautiful. It's a really great day today, and I'm really enjoying my own company. It's like 80 degrees, I think. Everyone's out, everyone's walking their dogs, everyone's jogging, everyone's swimming in the lake, and it's so nice to be able to do this. I feel like everything's going back to normal, and I have not seen a single person wear a mask. But everyone's still social distancing, so that's good. I mean, I think it's okay because it's an open space, it's a park. But in my opinion, if I were to go to a grocery store, I would still have to wear a mask. And I'm glad that I did this because I haven't been out in, I think, a couple of days. It's crazy. It's been such a crazy couple of weeks for me and Janelle, my husband, because we are in the process of moving. We are moving out of state, and we're very busy packing and all the moving stuff that you need to attend to. It's gotten so overwhelming. I'm just glad that I did this. It's, time for me to breathe and relax and remind myself that everything's gonna be okay. Everything's falling into place. I moved to the rooftop of our apartment, and it's so pretty here. I'm waiting for the sunset. So relaxing. I haven't been up here in months, or no, maybe in like a year now, because of the pandemic. Got a couple of snacks, pita chips, and this aioli sauce, which is so good. Water, pulveron, and this muffin or cupcake from the Philippines. It used to be my favorite. I'm still here on the rooftop. I'm waiting for Janelle to come home. I think it's 9 p.m. It's 9:16. Crazy. I spent so much time at the park earlier, but it was so fun. I was just people watching. I was listening to this podcast. I was writing down some ideas for my next song. But yeah, I enjoyed today. Going to the park was the best idea, I think. And the weather's been really good lately. Can finally wear shorts. Can finally wear linen tops. I can finally say goodbye to oversized coats and really thick clothing. It's been a great day. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! ありがとう